Hi everybody, today I'll show you how to change Instagram call ringtone. So let's begin. Alright, to change the call ringtone of the Instagram, you need to jump into the settings of your mobile. I'm gonna tap onto the settings. So inside the settings, you have to go inside notifications and the status bar. So now in the notifications and the status bar, you can search for the Instagram application and you can also look for the Instagram application from here. So I'm going to search for it. And you have to remember one thing here, the steps might be different from your side and because it depends on the mobile that you're using. Okay, so I'm going to tap on the Instagram from here. So from here, I have to jump into the notification styles. And now I have to tap on the notification style. And again, the option might be different from your side. And here, what you can see the option of Instagram direct video call. So we have to tap on that. And from here, you can see the option of the sound. So if I just tap on that, you will be able to see that I can change the Instagram call ringtone from here. So I can choose whatever I want from here. Okay. I can simply tap on this one. If I want to select any other from here, I can simply do that. And this is how we can change Instagram call ringtone. So if you really find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel.